A very good morning to 12th class student. In this video we are going to study about electrophilic substitution reactions of aniline. Aniline show electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para position. The reason behind this is that due to resonance the negative charge comes at ortho and para position. See here that negative charge comes at ortho and para position. That's why electrophile can easily attack at ortho and para position, and that's why it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para position. Now first reaction is bromination. Aniline on bromination with water. Bromination in the presence of water. It form tribromoaniline, 2,4,6 tribromoaniline plus 3 HBr. Because water is a polar solvent, in the presence of polar solvent, more negative charge comes at ortho and para position. Because aniline get polarized, so more negative charge comes at ortho and para position. That's why we get tribromoaniline. But if we want to get single bromoaniline, then what we have to do? So first we do acylation. This reaction is called acylation. Here we treat first aniline with acetyl chloride. So aniline undergo acylation reaction and we get N-acetyl aniline. This when acetyl group comes on aniline, NH2 part, this is your electron withdrawing group. So it decrease the electron density on nitrogen due to resonance. It is electron withdrawing group. So due to resonance it withdraw nitrogen lone pair, due to which it is basic. So it withdraw nitrogen lone pair on itself. That's why electron density on nitrogen get decreased. So less charge, negative charge will come at ortho and para position. If we do first acylation, then we do bromination, then we get single bromo product, and then we do hydrolysis of this and we get orthobromoaniline and parabromoaniline. So if in bromination we want to get single product, then what we have to do? Then first we do acylation. During acylation this acetyl groups comes on aniline. This is your electron withdrawing group and it stabilizes the lone pair of electron that present on nitrogen on itself due to resonance. So electron density on nitrogen get decreased and less negative charge comes at ortho and para position. So we get single bromo product. Single bromo, that may be ortho and that may be para, and on hydrolysis it gives orthobromoaniline and parabromoaniline. So this is the product which you obtained after bromination of aniline. Next is nitration of aniline. When we do nitration of aniline, then we get three products. Orthonitroaniline, that is as usual but its percentage is 2%. Metanitroaniline, we never get meta product in electrophilic substitution, but here we get meta in large amount, that is 47%, and paranitroaniline, that is 51%. Now question arises. First question is that why we get here metanitroaniline, but because electrophilic substitution reaction never take place at meta position. मेरा फोन उठाइयो, क्यों खराब हो गया. दोबारा बनानी पड़ेगी।